Welcome back to CoinPog, and in today's video I'm going to show you a secret strategy that will show you how you can increase profits on the coins you already hold on in this bull market. This is essential for you guys to expand profits on some of the coins you are holding during this bull cycle. You can get huge APR percentages on the coins you are already holding on with this Gate.io feature, and the best part is you can redeem it to your spot wallet any given time, and I will show you how to do it at the end of this video. So here are some of the highest APR coins, but keep in mind they add new ones all the time, so keep an eye out for that as well. So here you can see you can get a 6% APR bonus on your Bitcoin, 7.88% on your Ethereum, 4.38% on your Solana, and a mind-blowing 45% on the stablecoin USDT. But it is a bonus offer, as you can guys see here, and you can get this bonus offer by signing up to Gate using our bonus link in the description. Now I'm going to quickly show you 3 great examples of the stablecoin APR bonuses. First one we already discussed, but once again the USDT 45% bonus, which is absolutely crazy. Second example is USDC, also with a great 18.40% APR bonus. And lastly, we have USDE, which has a great 20% bonus. So definitely check these coins out as well. And so now I just want to quickly show you how it works and what is Simple Earn. Basically, Simple Earn matches idle assets with users who need to borrow money, calculates the annualized return on an hourly basis, and settles the interest in real time. As a result, the interest earned by a Simple Earn subscriber is the fee paid by the other borrower. Simple Earn is similar to P2P crypto lending service, with the interest calculated on an hourly basis. Subscribers can best utilize their funds to earn hourly interest in an easy and fast way, while borrowers get the opportunity to borrow at lower rate with convenience and efficiency repayment. So this is very beneficial for you guys. Also, let me quickly explain what APR means. Basically, APR stands for annual percentage rate. It refers to total cost of you borrowing for a year. Importantly, it includes the standard fees and interest you'll have to pay. This is an example that I was talking about before. We chose Mavia. This is me doing it on the app, but make sure you guys register on the web with our link so you can take advantage of these ridiculous bonuses. So after you click on it, you'll see the Simple Earn 20.15% interest. You're going to click on that, and that's going to bring you to this screen right here. And then you're going to see your balance there where you can click the max. It's going to put in all the balance. And most importantly, the second thing you have to do on this screen is check auto earn, and that will make sure you get all the rates and everything will happen automatically without you doing anything. And here's the example. I use Mavia. I used a little bit of my funds, press confirmed, and boom, everything just landed back into my spot wallet just like that. This exchange is trusted, and this is one of the best exchanges, making this Simple Earn offer a no-brainer. Why not add that extra bit of profit to coins that you already hold on, especially when you can cash out at any time? If you guys want to see what coins are we holding on and why, I will leave a link to our Telegram in the description. But other than that, subscribe to not miss out on our next video, because we are doing the last bit of research for a wonderful airdrop opportunity.